Hello guys, welcome to a new video. I'm starting a little bit different. It's evening, it's 7:51, 21st October. I took 2 days off. The last video I filmed was on October 18th when we came from Ubud here in Canggu. And I wanted to chill out a little bit from camera filming, just remembering how the life was good. Everything that we did was walking in the morning on the beach, looking for some new or the old good spots for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Look at the size of it. The good thing was that I pinned all locations from the last year, so it was easy to find good spots. And also the reason why I didn't film like daily vlogs, as I said, is because we are gonna stay longer here, so you will not miss anything. And this really helps me, I mean, to just restart and also to give me some new ideas how to film this, and also for you guys to be interesting for watching. I think like when it's yeah, probably it's almost the same size or no, and the weight is
similar also, right? For the
So let's do a quick unboxing. This is Ulanzi F12 mini camera speedlight or flash, retro design, portable, adjustable internal battery. I don't know much about the flashlights, so I will not speak a lot about it or something, but this is also really small, as you see. Yeah, it's pretty much only flash, so it doesn't have a light which can be used for a video. And on the back part it has this small display. Yeah, pretty much it. I will just mount it on camera and show you how it looks. This is Sony camera, so I think it's pretty much the same for all Sony cameras. So you just remove this from the top and this part connects to this one, so it's just pretty much like this. So it can be tightened. We can turn on the camera, and also let's turn on the flash. I put it on 18%, but let's make it maybe 30%. I will put the fruits right here. I will turn off the light. So yeah, it's perfect. So I will post more videos about it in the next few days. I just wanted to show you now how it looks and do a quick unboxing. I was like really impressed. So we are staying currently at Camora Living. So this is the place where we stayed last year for more than a month. We decided to stay here for like maybe 10 days. We just booked one night and we extended for I think 7 more nights. Also asked them for a price for a whole month, because probably we'll be staying here in the November. We are also considering Uluwatu for like maybe 15 days to Uluwatu, 15 days here, but we didn't decide yet.
Everybody's asleep. Looks like summer. Look at that.